2023 is just around the corner and everybody should position themselves into a spot to really cash in big time once the next bull run hits. These are my top 3 passive income investments for 2023. Number 3. With prices really falling down, my HODL wallet really took a bump. But that also means that now is a good time to really stack up some new Bitcoin. My HODL portfolio is put together with 4 major positions. The biggest one is Bitcoin with about 40%. Bitcoin really is the OG cryptocurrency and has a big effect on the whole market. If Bitcoin goes up, crypto goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, crypto goes down. My second biggest position is also the second biggest cryptocurrency on the market, Ethereum with about 27%, followed by BNB with about 16%. The last position is basically the miscellaneous position with a lot of different cryptocurrencies put together, such as ADA, XRP, Crow, AVAX, Matic, and Polkadot. This position is almost as big as BNB. My plan for the HODL positions is basically pretty easy. Buy and rebalance every single month for a 40, 25, 20, and 15% portfolio allocation. So I will not sell any of my positions. I will just buy and add new positions to rebalance the portfolio. Number 2. Copy trading on BingX. As you guys know, I started my copy trading experience about 3 months ago. The first 2 months I was really just overviewing and researching all those available traders and filtering through them. My most checked filter is the cumulative earnings of copyists, so we can see who made the most profit for us as copy traders. Marco Reus, for example, who I am copy trading personally, has the most profit for his copy traders in $1.25 million. He himself made about $60,000 for himself by trading on the platform of BingX, and then additionally to that, the $1.25 million for his copy traders. You have all the important stats right here. You can check him out. Check out the last 180 days of stats. And if you want to follow him and copy trade him, BingX really makes it easy with the one-click strategy. Just go into copy trading, set the amount of how much you want to copy, boom, done. So instead of sitting in front of Bitcoin price charts the whole day, we can just let the pros do its work and close down profitable trades for us. So those are my results for the first 3 weeks. We can see I started on 18th of November 2023 with about $3,782 in my balance. My current balance is about $3,863, so over $80 in profits or about 2% already. My weekly results were 0.85% in the first week, 0.86% in the second week, and 0.45% in profit in the third week. By clicking the link down below in the description, you can secure yourself $100,000 in VST, so virtual dollars, and start your copy trading journey completely risk-free right now. Number 1. Humans are smart, but also do a lot of mistakes, especially in trading, when emotions are involved. That's why in the summer I was looking for a cryptocurrency trading algorithm that really performs in downwards and uptrends. What I found was the best crypto investment I've ever made. EasyBot already made me about $2,500 in passive income, and this is just the beginning. I started with about $2,000, and scrolling down through my bots, I now have over 20 bots active with about $20,000 assigned to them. The cool thing about EasyBot, it's really one and done. Once you set up your bots, you really lean back and just count the cash. My EasyBot plan for 2023. My end goal is to really make $1,000 per month in passive income with EasyBot in 2023, which equals $12,000 for the whole year. But obviously I also have to take smaller steps. So my first step is to add all coin pair options to my portfolio. Second one is to attend all corporate update calls with the CEO Mohammed Ali to really stay up to date with the product. The third step would be to reinvest my profits into the new coin pairs and also to give back to the community. Last thing with EasyBot, because it really works out so well for me, is to share it with others. So share it with you guys, my community. EasyBot really has been the biggest and greatest investment I've made so far in the crypto space. It makes me profits every single day, and if you want to check it out or get more information to it, I'll put all the links down below in the description. See you guys.
Like you, be strong to hold the power. on. To dream